All right, Louis Porcelino, Man Over Market, and this is the recap for E-mini trading today. And sorry if anybody was following me. The 5 minute pivot did go to a sell on both the Nasdaq, the Russell, and the ES. The only one that did not was the horse shit Dow, only 30 stocks, but it kept everybody up. But here's the important thing: look at the close. They got the close above. I think the settlement price, we're going to see what the settlement price is. Let me hold on. Let me quickly see what they're going to put as settlement. I think they're going to put settlement at, hold on, I'll pull this other chart up. Let's see if we get a close on that. So that bar closed. It looks like settlements can be 20, 27 and a quarter. And I've been saying it's got to close above 25 and 27. So if we're treating this, like I said, we're treating this as one day, and we've got three higher closes. So it looks like if we take out 32 half, let's go on the profile here. Let's bring this profile over. Take a look at this. All right. So the high today was 32.75. And I thought we were going to be at 34. And then it broke 1,000 points all the way down and stuck it up our keister. So I'm sorry if you got short with me down there. Um, Also, hold on, let me get rid of these orders. All right. So it filled in the single prints. We had single prints up to 30 half from 25 half to 30 half. All right. We got two of them up here at 37, 36.75 to 37. And we've got all this up here, all the way up to 2051, 2051. So the key now is to get outside of the channel that I've been drawing. Okay, get outside of this channel now. Um, then we're going here and then here. Interestingly enough, these 2 days were the days that I identified as having drone buying, meaning they're all computer driven, and a lot. If you've been following my um, videos, I've been talking about how when I used to fill orders that I would get orders and be a lot of buying 2 days in a row, and then the market would just sit and trade in a range, get really volatile. But these guys, if these guys are the shits, that means they're the long term money. They're in the market. That means that on 117 and on 118, okay, which was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trading days ago, okay, that they got long. You think they knew about what was going on with the ECB? Huh? Now, all of us are supposed to forget about this. We're all going to forget about this, and we're all schmucks because you know what? They all got the inside information. These guys here, this is Goldman, this is Morgan, this is B of A, this is the Fed, this is people who know what's going on. All right. All right. Why can't we get that inside information, right? I guess it's only for certain people, right? All right. So if that's true, it goes up, these guys are right. And I'm wrong once again. I'm wrong again. Oh, I stink again. So, sorry I'm on my rant, but that really bugs the shit out of me that everybody gets to know what the hell's going on, right? So, oil tried to get inside value today, and it did, and then it was making new lows. It went right to our bull bear zone. Look at this, right to it, and then rallied back up, and now it's closing down in here. So that's oil. Let me bring out the S&Ps. Let's bring the chart that we use for today. All right. So we started out with a nice sell. It went down and made this hit the point of control almost. I think it was uh, a half a tick away, or that was it. The low there, it was 205 half, I believe. And then the ECB came out with all their gumption and said they will be buying the bonds. So I guess everything's okay. We got outside of value, went up and made a high. I had told you that around 10:30, I thought that the market takes out the highs, we would trade higher, and it did. And then we got this bullshit action all back here. We took out the 5 minute pivot, couldn't get back inside value, and we just slowly grinded up and stopped short of taking out the 5 minute pivot there. So with that close upon us, it looks like the market is poised to go higher. So we had this close. I drew this line. That trial is 27. And that's what it looks like for right now. I'll tell you what, the bonds, for some reason, got whacked today. Let me bring them up. So the bonds, off of its highs, okay, wow. The bonds had come here, got short, got over here, got long, and then, wow, they're getting chopped up. They're getting chopped up. They were short. This got them short. This got them long. Oh, that's a 15 minute. Let me go on the 5 minute. Let's see how the 5 minute. Let's see how the 5 minute fared. All right. So the 5 minute from the opening got short, went back up here, took it out. That would mean it would be long, and then got short again. Not as big of a drastic move, but it's the same thing. It went worked through value, made a low, went back up here, made another low, went back up in value, and then sold off at the end of the day. That's a big range, 148.22. It looks like the high is 150.18. Big range in the bonds. Big range. So, not sure why the bonds sold off. Anyway, all right. I'll see you in the morning. This is a positive close, 3 higher closes in a row. There's some more news tomorrow. I think we got jobless claims coming out. Yeah, I think jobless claims comes out tomorrow. So let me double check. Go to the economic calendar. A lot of news tomorrow. We've got jobless claims, FHFA home price index, Bloomberg consumer comfort, EI natural gas 10:30, EI petroleum status report 11 a.m. 3 month, 6 month, 2 year, 2 year, 5 year, 7 year, and 10 year at 1 o'clock announcements tomorrow. And U.S. equity sentiment tomorrow. So, all right. I'll see you tomorrow. Talk to you later. Bye.